Welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I think it's getting a little hot in here. Or it's just me, because my channel is growing and I am so excited that today, on the fifth day of that month, and yes, I know it's Cinco de Mayo and happy Cinco de Mayo, I've reached 500 subscribers. I'm really stoked. So, I have a giveaway! So, I am basing it on the concept that my channel's getting hotter. And so, I have some hot pink items that I am going to be giving away. This is a smaller giveaway compared to my normal giveaways. And it's only open to the US. Just understand that because there's not as much items in this, that I would rather send a big package to Canada, outside of the United States, than have to pay so much money to send a smaller package. So this is only open to US citizens. So the theme is, it's hot, so we are going with a hot pink theme, okay? And so what I have included is 5 skeins of yarn. 3 of them is the Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling yarn in hot pink. Okay, I love this yarn. I'm sure that some of you guys who get items from Lion Brand probably have some of this, but this is a color that I made one of my first wearables out of, and I love it. I love pink, but I have way too much hot pink stuff. So, and then this is some Knit Crate yarn. It's called URU yarn, and I always try to pronounce it, so I'm all like, yeah, like that. But it's URU yarn. It's the electric line, and this one is called Wired, and it's 40% Hayakaya alpaca, 30% wool, 30% Suri alpaca. It's a worsted weight, very soft, and even if this looks kind of busy, it actually works up really nice. So I have 2 hanks of this and an unopened package of the Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling. This is definitely enough to make a wearable. This is definitely enough to make a hat and a scarf. Let me tell you how many. This has 150 yards, so you get 300 yards. And this has, oh no, I'm gonna have to do math now. Oh my gosh. This has 185 yards in each. So that's almost 600 yards. I would say like 550 yards, okay? Good deal. Alright, so we have 5 hot pinks. We have a pink tote that goes with it. I will set this out. In order to enter the giveaway, just help me celebrate by leaving a comment, okay? And I will pick the comment in 5 days. I'm so excited about my channel, that it's growing, that you guys like me. It's great. I am excited about this giveaway because it's just a nice way to honor the people that have helped me become more and more successful on this channel, which I mean, you guys are great. You guys are really good subscribers. I really like you guys. And remember, my goal for May is to get to 1,000, and I will have a big giveaway when I reach 1,000. It will go out to Canada as well. But let's just kind of focus on where we are right now, okay? Because I don't want to get ahead of myself. 500 is awesome, especially since I've been around since March. I mean, that's a big feat. So I am very proud of myself, and I'm really proud of this channel, and I'm really proud of all of the great subscribers, because that's another thing. You guys are quality subscribers, okay? And I just wanted to give back to the community and let you guys know how much I appreciate you. And so I'm thanking you by having this giveaway. And so just leave a comment. I will choose a winner by random comment picker on May the 10th. Okay, it's 6 o'clock about Central now, so I'm thinking, when will I get this posted? I'll probably get this posted at 8 o'clock Central Time, so by then. So I we'll choose a winner at around 8 o'clock Central Time on the 10th of May. Okay guys? So happy Cinco de Mayo. I know that I still have a tutorial that I'm supposed to be posting today. It probably won't be up until tomorrow, but I'm working on that. I'm really excited about that. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye!